Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to look at how to move your website over to hosting or hosting. This process is called migration, and it might sound complicated, but I'll show you that it's actually very straightforward. We'll cover the two main ways to get it done so you can choose the one that's best for you. First, let's talk about the easiest method, using Hostinger's free migration service. This is the best option for most people, especially if you're not very technical. After you sign up with Hostinger, you just need to log into your control panel, which they call H-panel. Inside, you'll find a website migration request tool. Simply fill out the form with your previous hosting details, like your old cPanel login information. Once you submit it, Hostinger's expert team will handle the entire transfer for you. They move all your files and databases without you having to lift a finger. This usually takes between 24 and 48 hours, and they'll notify you when it's complete, making it a completely hands-off process. Now, if you prefer more control or want to do it yourself, you can choose the manual migration method. This involves a few key steps. First, you need to back up your website files from your old host. Go to your old host's file manager, select all the files in your main folder, often called public_HTML, and compress them into a single zip file. Download this zip file to your computer. Next, you need to back up your database. Find the phpMyAdmin tool in your old hosting account, select your website's database, and click the Export button to download in SQL file. Now you have both your files and your database saved. The next step is to upload these to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger H-panel and go to the File Manager. Upload the zip file and then extract it. After that, you need to create a new database in Hostinger's database section. Write down the new database name, username, and password, as you'll need them in a moment. Then, go to phpMyAdmin in Hostinger, select your new database, and import the SQL file you downloaded earlier. The final crucial step in the manual process is to connect your website to this new database. You do this by editing your site's configuration file. For a WordPress site, this file is called wp-config.php. Open it and update the database details with the new ones you just created. No matter which migration method you choose, the very last step is to point your domain to Hostinger. You do this by updating your domain's name servers. Log into where you bought your domain, find the DNS settings, and replace the old name servers with the new ones provided by Hostinger. This change can take a few hours, sometimes up to a day, to take effect everywhere. Once it's done, your website will be live from your new Hostinger account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully migrated your website. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more web hosting tutorials and tips.